Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. And just like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I can operate the sliding door with a key fob. I've got this remote we put on here, hit the out button. This is actually a winch motor, very easy to replace if they go bad. This is an alternative to all the expensive repairs. They go into these electric ramps and doors. So ramp comes down, 30 inches of room coming in, 30 inches wide. It's got the rubber mat, easy to clean. It's slip resistant. Back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Removable passenger seat. Headliner's in good condition, has the rear air controls up there. Dash looks good. Cruise control, got your dual climate control. Rear air controls, plenty of cup holders down there. So overall, pretty clean van. The tie downs go down in these slots. We did give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each fan. When it's time to put the ramp back up, you can either do it from the, it says in and out there. So you could do it there, or you could hit the button that says in. You gotta hold the button. You can't just push it once, you gotta hold it. That accomplishes what we're trying to accomplish. And then you can shut the door from the inside, or, got too much stuff in my hands right now, hit the button over there. I do a quick walk around to the van. Got the tinted windows in the rear. Tires still have quite a bit of tread left on them. They're certainly not brand new, but overall, got some tread left on them. It's got a few bruises on it, a few little nicks in it. Overall, though, for the age, this is a 15-year-old van, but it's pretty nice. Little bump right there. I do these videos because they show you a lot of things that that pictures won't show. The videos do. Little spots of small hail on the hood. I'm not sure if the hood is going to pick it up, but there's a few small pings on the hood. It's got the Caravan conversion, electric ramp and door. Excuse me. Overall, not a bad little van for what it is, for the age, and of course for the price. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. Very clean carpets. No signs of any burns. No signs of any cigarette smells. Nothing like that. On the passenger side, I'll show you the VIN number there real quick. You always want to see the VIN on a vehicle when you're buying it. Make sure you buy the vehicle they say they're selling. Believe it or not, there's some people doing some crazy things out there. So current mile is 96,905. Has the 2 keys. Go to fire it up. Fires up first time every time. You see that blinking going on? That's only going on through the camera. That's not doing that in real life. Just so you know, that's not an issue from the human eye. No check engine lights, no airbag lights, none of that. I did notice that the dash is separating a little bit right here. It's not real noticeable, but you probably would have never noticed it unless I told you. But that's why I make these videos. I want you to see what you're getting. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.3 V6 engine. We check these over for leaks. We check these over for water damage. We inspect these very thoroughly before we buy. That's hot. Has good acceleration though. We took this on trade from a family that owned it down in Texas. They bought one of our newer vans. Overall, it's pretty clean. You can see the AC dripping right there. But it's not all rusted out. And you'll notice our competition, a lot of times, most of the time, they do not show you the undercarriage of the van in their pictures, and most of them don't even do a video. There's a reason for that. They buy these things up in New York, they buy these things up in Chicago. They buy them dirt cheap because they're all rusted out. No one wants them. Then they try and sell them to you, and they try and compete with our prices. So if you're gonna buy off the internet, make sure you get a video. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy vehicles. They assume things. They assume because the price looked good. They assume because the pictures looked good. They assume because the salesman was nice that they're getting a good deal, that they're getting a good van. Folks, 80% of the time that is not true. If you don't get a video, 80% of the time you're gonna get a van that it wasn't what you were expecting. That's why I make these videos. That's why I go the extra mile. That's why no one else does this. They just want to sell you a van. If you like it, great. If you don't, oh well, they've already got your money. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a video. and take care of yourself, protect yourself. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. We've tested the power windows, power locks. I'll show you a quick list of all the things we've done to this van. Before we get it on the highway, we've got a rear blower motor resistor, a rear heater core, new oil dipstick, front passenger door lock actuator, new battery, and I also know this little actuator right here. Oh, that's the blower resistor motor, never mind. So yeah, we've done quite a bit of work to this van. So let me get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and whether you come in and drive this home or you have us ship it out to you, you know we've made sure this van is roadworthy. Our free mechanics inspect these vans before they hit the road. We do these road tests for you to see on video. With that being said, we're selling these vans at wholesale prices, sometimes $10,000 or $15,000 less than the competition. With that being said, you do the math. I cannot afford to be your warranty company. You know, you're buying used vehicles at wholesale prices. I strongly suggest purchasing a warranty. Also, there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Compare our reputation to theirs. See our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Check their rating with the Better Business Bureau. If they don't have an A+ rating, I would ask them why they don't. More importantly, I would ask you, why are you doing business with them? Also check our ratings online with Google. We have excellent reviews. People have said a lot of great things about us, and there's a reason behind that. I mean, we make these videos. It's our price, our low pressure sales, our videos, and our reputation. That's what's going to sell this van. I'm not going to beg you to buy it, because I promise if you don't buy it at this price and what we've done to this van and the quality we put out there, I promise you someone else is gonna. I'm going to give the van a hard brake coming up here. I look behind, there's no one behind me, so I see it's a green light. No vibrating, no squeaking, no unusual noise. So overall, of course, it's not a brand new van, but it's a very nice van. It's been pretty well taken care of, and I do believe if it's taken care of further, and with very low miles, by the way, for the year, I do believe if it's taken care of, you know, it's going to make a nice van for you or your business or whatever you just decide to use it for. So that brings me back to comparing us to the competition. I'm out here at 100 degrees. I'm the owner of the company. I'm crawling on the ground. I'm laying on the cement. I'm getting under the vehicle because I want you to see exactly what you're getting. Folks, I don't do this because I like it. I hate it. I'd much rather be inside the air conditioning right now talking to someone on the phone selling a van. But I do this because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I've been doing this almost 9 years now. I've never had a customer call me and say to me, Jeremiah, that wasn't what I was expecting. You know, so, which brings me to my next point. I'm the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. These vans sell themselves. Do you want to do business with the owner who's going to be here in 10 years from now, who cares about this company? Or do you want to do business with a used car salesman who's probably going to be working on another used car lot in a couple months? You know, they don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good deal. They just care about that commission check. So do you want to do business with the owner of a company, or do you want to do business with a used car salesman? Ask yourself that question. Also, see our inventory 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you'd ever like to give me a call, it's 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try and get the owner's cell phone number for one of those big companies. Give it a shot, see what happens. So, we do have financing available on some of our older vans like this. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.